up, guys?
Today we are going to make easy, medium, and hard RC car track. Whoever can't complete it gets a punishment. So now we have to build the tracks. Easy track is going to start by the car, and then it's going to come all the way down this path and maybe somewhere else. So we're not planning on making it too hard. We want it to be pretty easy. I need to find some equipment though to mark out the course. I don't know what I could use. I couldn't find anything in my garage, but Charlie and Ben did a nice job using sticks. So we got the easy course planned out. This is how it's gonna go. And then it ends right here. And the medium course starts right where the easy course ends. Alright, so this course starts here. And you have to stop right under here. The hard track, it starts right where the medium track ends. So you start here. You will see a lot of these balls on the hard course, and every time we hit them with the RC car, 5 seconds adds to our time. And then you just keep going straight. There's another ball, and then another ball, and finally it ends once you go in between these two sticks. So me and Ben are gonna compete the easy, medium, and hard track. So whoever gets the faster time, the better time, wins the course. So whoever gets 2 wins first wins the whole thing. And the punishment, we're gonna have the car, and the other person is just gonna drive like that. But the thing is, it's gonna be in dirt, and it's gonna get all over your face.
3, 2, 1.
Finish. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh. Pick it up. You have to pick it up. Nah, you not have this one.
I think it's time.
Alright, I definitely won that one.
Yeah, probably. 3, 2, 1. And you're
The hard thing about this car is that it goes 35 miles an hour when you like full throttle.
Yeah, like full
so it's hard to control it.
Yeah.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! You can't keep moving it. Going over the course. Dude, you can't keep moving. You have to reverse.
good. And now turning for the hard track. 3, 2, 1, go! hit it. Alright, start to that one. Oh, but he hits that one. You're so close.
I don't know if Ben's ready to do this in sandals going out through all these rocks. 3, 2, 1, go! Taking off slow. Smart choice. Doesn't hit the football. Alright. So you're gonna hit the soccer ball. No, he goes right by it. He's getting a little squirmy. Doesn't hit the soccer ball though. You have to go through these trees. Yeah, you can just do that, whatever. And then, here he goes. Oh, what a play. What a run. So after adding up all the results, I won round 1, I won round 2, and Ben won round 3. That means I got the most wins, and Ben has to do the punishment.
No.
So this is the setup. Charlie, you ready to record this? That was nothing, Ben. Alright, so the dirt wasn't good enough, so we moved on to the mulch.
3, 2, 1.
Not again. See ya.